tomorrow we are going to Dominican Republic. Yay! We want to show you guys what we're packing with a 4-month-old going to a tropical island.
So we have his toys, his little swim trunks, styling and profiling. Tell them.
He's a little sleepy right now, so that's the reason why he's fussing. He likes to fuss before he goes to sleep. Patagonia gear, his 2 shorts. This is headphones, wired and wireless, just so we can keep him entertained. It's only a 4-hour flight, not terrible. Little shoes, we love them, they're so cute. His Patagonia swimming gear, a little bucket hat to just keep him safe from the sun. We have a couple of tees. We're bringing more onesies, of course. We have some headphones, some noise canceling earmuffs for him. Some baby wipes, of course. We have the Freaks of Nature Peak Performance sunscreen. This will be my first time using it, and I think it's baby safe. We do have some baby sunscreen, but I just bought this one because I prefer this one. We have some soothing gel, 2 packs of soothing gel for his gums because he's teething right now. This is what we bathe him with. Aveeno Baby, and this is just some gentle cleansing water. This is a lifesaver. This is a fan to go. It has 3 modes and it has LED light ring. It's fantastic. This is a must for anyone on the beach all day. We also have this bath filter. We're probably gonna assemble it on the shower some type of wicked way. We don't really have a bath out there, but this is gonna be the filtration for the water out there that we bathe with. We're not going anywhere wild. We're going to my mom's house. I just like filtered shower heads and filtered water. We're bringing our bathtub. It folds. We're also packing up the Duna with the base car seat. We are packing a lot of surfer essentials because we're doing some surfing and kite surfing out there. So she has her 3mm booties just in case if there's a reef. She has some shorts, Vulcan shorts, Vulcan onesie. This is a 1mm. She has another Vulcan onesie. I think this is a 2 or 3mm. Her bathing suit. This is a rash guard of mine. We have a couple of rashies here. Rash guard, some board shorts. This little bag here we're using to just put his little milk. And we can't forget this. This is like a $30 Amazon purchase. Just a little kiddie pool for the beach area. And that's really all for baby's essentials and what we're packing. Besides that, it's gonna be about some onesies and little towels like these, just for little messes. And that's all for baby stuff. Here I'm bringing this whole mess, right? This is 4 surfboards. 1 board is for the homie out there named Mickey. He bought one from a local shop, so I'm bringing it out there. 2 watches, also Mickey's. We're gonna see him. He's gonna be picking us up from the airport, so he's gonna be stoked when he sees us. Baby over there. Mom life.
Mom life.
Mom life. After that is just basically socks and underwear that we're packing up. Nothing really interesting, just some clothes. And then we should be vlogging our flight there.